Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the achievements of the United Nations. In the previous class video, we have studied about the specialized agencies of the United Nations. The specialized agencies of the United Nations are the agencies that work on economic, social, health and environmental problems of the world by helping the countries which are facing these problems. Today we are going to learn about the achievements of the United Nations. The main aim of the United Nations is to maintain peace and prevent the outbreak of wars in the world. So far, it has been quite successful in its aim. There have been wars between countries, but the United Nations has prevented them from turning into world wars. The United Nations has also been successful in preventing the use of dangerous weapons. However, though the UN has been working remarkably well in its fight against environmental issues, poverty and disease, a lot of work is still pending in many parts of the world. Now we will talk about the India and the United Nations. India is one of the founding members of the United Nations. Even today, it actively participates in the activities of the United Nations. The India has been an active supporter for the cause of freedom and the human rights. India has been lending support to the peacekeeping operations of the United Nations by sending Indian armed forces personnel to its peacekeeping forces. India acted as a voice of developing countries at the UN. During the Cold War, India made efforts to keep the UN General Assembly away from the superpower disputes. It raised the problem of economic development in the General Assembly. It promoted the interest of developing countries at various UN conferences. The United Nations work with Government of India to achieve its development priorities by using innovative way of tackling problems. The United Nations also provides funds and expertise for the preservation of many Indian historical monuments such as Taj Mahal. Student, you have to read this topic from your book, so listen and watch this video carefully. Thank you.